So this is a drawing which I drew in pixel art. It's just some flowers, sky, grass, clouds, birds and the sun. Now I'll show you how to draw it in pixel art. So I've already prepared the canvas. Since you might be new to it, they might ask you to make a new canvas. So now I'm just gonna make the grass. So it's gonna be a very bright green color. I just love bright colors. Then we have a light blue color. Gonna do that. And then we have the grass and the background. Now I'm gonna make a new layer so that the flowers, the clouds, the sun and the birds will not be in the background. So for example, if I draw something in the background and I erase it, it won't erase the background. If I draw something in the layer. So now I'm gonna draw the stem of the flower. So it's gonna be 2 pixels wide and 6 pixels high. Then I'm gonna take a red color, make 2 pixels by 2 pixels petals. Right. And now I'm gonna make the middle. Then just for great measures, I'm gonna take a dark color and put it over here. It not be much able to see. So let me just make it darker by the lighten or darker tool. So there we have it. I'm going to take that color and fill it in the rest parts. So now it looks like a proper flower. Now I'm going to select it and copy it with this button or with the shortcut Ctrl+C. So I most probably prefer shortcuts. So now we'll finish pasting the flowers. So now we can give different colors to the petals. So my color code is most probably like yellow, blue and more. So now let me finish coloring it. So I finished most of the flowers just for one last one. And if you want to, like, most of you might be squinting to see it, most probably you can just press equals button to zoom in and hyphen to zoom out. So I'm just gonna zoom in for now. So now I'm just gonna make the last flower. So now you might be asking, the flowers did not fill the whole ground. Right, I know. So now I'm just gonna copy it and get another batch. So like that we have lots of flowers. So next I'm gonna get the clouds. So clouds you can find it in the stamp area. So let me get it. And I know there's these small things, most probably when you get it, it's just because I chose this. So I'm just gonna copy it. So now I'm just gonna take my eraser and erase these excess. So there we have the clouds. I used it by the stamp tool over here. Most probably you can find it right off the bat. Now I'm gonna draw the crows. So crows I'm deciding to make it in a new layer because I don't want to destroy the clouds. So I'm gonna do something like this. So there we have one crow. So I'm just gonna move it to here, copy it. I'm just gonna make a flock of birds. So there we have a flock of birds. Now what I'm gonna do is now copy the flock of birds, not the cloud. Remember that when you're doing it, make it in layer 2. or layer 1. So now you can have as many flocks you want. I just put 2 for now. I'm gonna go back to layer 1 and take a sun. So there we have it. So now that's the drawing which I did. So you might have noticed that I most probably used line, square, pencil, bucket, lighten or darken tool, and stamp tool. Now I'm just gonna explain about the tools which I didn't use. The brush tool. Wait, so this is the drawing which I drew. So now I'm gonna make a new one. So now I'll explain the tools which I didn't say about. This is the brush tool, allows you to draw brush-like structures. Line tool, obviously, wait, I already said that. Color picker tool is technically that you want this black color. You can take it and there you go. Move tool, moves drawings. Then here the select tool, which I most probably explained a lot. The text tool, the lighten or darken tool, which I already said. The dithering tool, which fills in these grey pixels over here. The crop tool helps crop the canvas. For now I'm not. You just have to type the width and height. The gradient tool, which is what you just saw right there. So the secondary color is supposed to be the white. So if I'm gonna change like that, then do a red, I get this color. So that's most of the tools, and bye for now. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.